Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can import template kits in your Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see this one is my demo website. Now let me log in. Here you can add /wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. So now we need to install the theme. Here I can go and install a free theme, that is Astra WordPress theme. This one you can preview it before installing. Now activate it, and we need to install a plugin. Here you can go to plugin sections, click here add plugin, then you can search for Elementor. Install it, and then click on activate button. Now again let's go back. We need to install Elementor Pro. Here click on upload plugin, then select the plugin zip file. Now let me go here and select the Elementor Pro zip file. So let me show you properties, and then here you can see this one .zip file. After that click on install now button, and then click here activate plugin. Now we need to install one more plugin. Click here add plugin, and then here you can search for template kit. Now let me scroll down and find out the plugin that we need to use. Here you can see these are the different plugins for the template kit. Now let's try this one, template kit import. Click here activate button. Now we need to go here Elementor settings, then scroll down. So here we have posts as well as pages. So now let's go here and click on template kit, then scroll down, and here we need to upload the template kit zip file. So let me select that file, and again let me show you the file format, this one .zip file. Select the file, it will take few seconds to be uploaded. Okay, now all the template files are ready. On the top right side click here install requirements, then click here install. After that click here close button. All the requirements are installed. Click here global kit styles. So before installing these templates we need to use this one. Okay, these are the ready to use, and here we can add the page title. So let's give us a name, home, then click here publish button. Okay, now here we can view this page, then click here edit with Elementor. After that click here close button. Then here you will see this option. Click here, scroll down, and then view installed kit. Now you can select the template that you want to import. So let me select this one, homepage template. Now here you can see template is added, but we don't have added header and footer. Simply you can go and click on publish button. So if you get any issues related to these graphics as well as background images, then you need to install the global kit styles as well as Elementor Pro plugin. Now let's go back, and here we need to install the header, Elementor, then theme builder. You can also use another plugin, that is Elementor header and footer builder. After that, click here. So now we don't have any header template. Click here, plus button. And here we need to use the template. Now we can select the header template from here. Then again scroll down, click here, view installed kit, scroll down, and then we need to import this template. That looks perfect, and we don't have any menu. Simply you can go here, the menu section, and create a new menu. Here you can give a name, primary, then scroll down, and here you can select the primary menu, then click here, create menu. Now scroll down, and on the left side here you can see different options. You can add the pages, you can add custom links, blog posts, and many more. So at this moment I want to add this one, home, and then here we can use custom links. You can add the page link here, about us, then contact. After that, click here, save menu. Now you can reload this page. Here you can see menu is added. Now we need to add the footer template from here. So as we have added the header template, then simply we can go back to the theme builder and then select the footer, then click here, add new button, and then click here, cross button. Now you can select that template from here. We installed kit, scroll down and find out the footer template, this one. Click here, insert button, okay, that's great. Footer template is also added. Now you can easily change and add your own text. Simply you can click on any of the element, then simply you can upload the file from here. After that, click here on the text, then you can add your own text from here. Now let me go back and reload this page, and here you can see footer is added here. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube.